Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about chance and probability. These words often come up in our daily life. We often say there is no chance of it raining today and also say things like it is quite probable that India will win the World Cup. Let us try and understand these terms a bit more. Consider the statement: the sun coming up from the west and ant growing to 3-meter height. If you take a cube of larger volume, its side will also be larger. If you take a circle with larger area, then its radius will also be larger. India winning the next test series. If you look at the statement given above, you would say that the sun coming up from west is impossible, and growing to 3 meter is also not possible. On the other hand, if the circle of a larger area, it is certain that it will have larger radius. You can say the same about the larger volume of the cube and the larger side. On the other hand, India can win the next test series or lose it. Both are possible, right? Now we'll take about chance, right? Here is you. If you toss a coin, you can always correctly predict. Can you always correctly predict what you will get? Try tossing a coin and predicting the outcome of each time. Write your observations in the following table. Here you can say that if you predict that a coin has two outcomes, either tail or head, right? Therefore, the chance or probability of getting head or tail is only, right? Therefore, therefore, the probability of getting head or tail is 1 by 2. That is the probability, right? Because either it has only two outcomes, either head or tail, right? That means, and the total is head plus tail is 2. Therefore, the probability is 1 by 2, right? Suppose dice. In dice, there are 6 sides, right? And marked on 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot, and 6 dot. If we find the probability of getting 1, right, marked 1 on the dice, the probability will be total is 6 and the probability will be 1, right? And the probability of getting 3 is also 1 by 6. The probability of getting 4 is also 1 by 6. The probability of getting 5 is also 1 by 6, right? Because only the probability of 1, that means 1 will get out of 6 times, right? That is the probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6, or 2 is 1 by 6, or 3 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting 4 is also 1 by 6. Probability of getting 5 is also 1 by 6, and probability of getting 6 is also 1 by 6, right? In this way we can find the probability, right? Now next what we find that this is the chance, or you can say that probability. We can predict in this way only, right? Now suppose die, if I take 2 die, then it will be different from that, right? In this way, now the question is what is probability, right? What is probability? Now we will listen about or learn about what is probability. We know that when a coin is thrown, it has two possible outcomes, head or tail. And for a die, we have 6 possible outcomes. We also know from experience that for a coin, head or tail is equally likely to be obtained. We say that probability of getting head or tail is equal and is half for each. For a die, the possibility of getting either of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 is equal. That is, for a die, there are 6 equally likely possible outcomes. We say each of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has 1/6 probability. We learn about this in the later classes. But from what we have done, it may perhaps be obvious that events that have many possibilities can probability between 0 and 1. Those which have no chance of happening have probability 0, and those that are bound to happen have probability 1. Given any situation, we need to understand the different possible outcomes and study the possible chances for each outcome. It may be possible that the outcomes may not have equal chance of occurring, unlike the cases of the coin and die. For example, if a container has 15 red balls and 9 white balls, and if a ball is pulled out without seeing, the chance of getting a red ball are much more. Can you see why? How many times are the chances of getting a red ball than getting a white ball? Probabilities for both the, the probabilities for both being between 0 and 1. In the next video we shall discuss exercise 3.4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.